Vue.js series, topic components. In this video we will learn how can we create component, how can we reuse component, and some data will pass and see some examples. Let's get started. Meanwhile we will check. Here is main.js. We can see syntax is highlighted with different colors. When you open .vue file, app.vue or something .vue, whatever, we cannot see formatted code. How can we see same like this file? For this thing we need to install one extension. If you are using VS Code Viewer, I'm just going to enable and let's check now. We can see formatted code. What is component? Component are a reusable block of code that are used to create more modular and maintainable code base. We can imagine them like Lego blocks, and they fit together and create your app. Same like header, body and footer and sidebar, etc. Look how can we create a component. My application already running on my Chrome browser. Create now a new component inside the component folder. I create home.vue. We should create at least two tag here. First template, and second thing is script name. Here we mention component name home, and style tag is optional. Add home here, registered home inside the component. Let's check on browser. You can see bottom of the home page, hello from home. I repeat 2 times, home. This thing is reusable approach. As we know, child component has only isolated scope. It cannot reach any data from parent component. Instead, we can use prop. What is prop? Prop is a custom attribute for passing data into our component. Let's see with example. I mention here message and message 1. Save. We should mention here, in order to receive props we need to declare props. So now we can use message in our child component. Add here props. Props name is msg. Type is string. Let's see the result. Here is message 1. You can set any default value with props, something text, save, and I'm declare here another prop num1. As we can pass multiple prop on single component, we will see example. Right now we will take type of number and default value 1. We mention here num1. Here I mention 5, and this numeric from 1 text, and num1 2, and bottom of the page I mention here num1. Let's see. 2 5. We can use any operator just like 2. Let's see the result. 2 multiplied by 2 4, and 2 multiplied by 5 it's 10. Let's see if I remove this thing from first component, but we will receive 2. Why? That because of we already mentioned default value is 2. If I mention here 4, we will receive 4, and multiply by 2, we will get 8. See last example, and now I write here some text on bottom. You can see text on bottom is working fine. As we know, in Vue 2 they are not allowed to us two pair of div without wrap into a single div. In Vue 3 we can use like this. We can add some more element on road, just like h2, second heading, you can check without error is working. In Vue 3 this format is valid. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.